Hey everyone, this is Lucy with another video on how to share Instagram posts to Threads automatically. First, you need to make sure that you have your Threads app ready to be used. You can install it through your Play Store or App Store on your device. Now, you need to open your Instagram and click on the plus icon located at the bottom of the page. Here you need to select your post. Now select the item you want to post. So let's say I chose this one. Now after that, click on the next icon. And now what you're going to do is click on the next again. Here you will need to scroll down, or you can click on more options. Here you will see this threads. Just toggle this bar and you will automatically enable sharing to threads also. After you click on share, it will share it. It will obviously share in your Instagram posts, but it will also share in your threads. So in my profile, there is the picture that I uploaded through Instagram, and that's it. You have successfully shared your Instagram post to your threads as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.